Many pensioners are losing money every month without realizing it, not from bills, not from taxes, but from unnecessary bank fees. The shocking part? Most of these fees can be stopped instantly. Let's make this simple. Banks often charge monthly account fees, overdraft fees, cash withdrawal fees abroad, and even hidden service charges. For pensioners on fixed incomes, these charges add up fast. Sometimes £10, £20, even £30 a month. First, check if you're paying for a packaged bank account. These accounts charge a monthly fee for extras, like travel insurance or breakdown cover. If you don't use these benefits, or don't need them, switch to a free account. Next, look at overdraft charges. Many pensioners dip into overdraft without meaning to. Some banks offer cheaper or interest-free overdraft options if you ask. Another common cost is ATM fees when using machines outside your bank's network. Switching to a bank with free withdrawals can save money instantly. Also check for paper statement fees, international fees, and old accounts you don't use anymore. The fix is simple. Call your bank and ask, what fees am I paying and how can I reduce them? One quick conversation can save you hundreds per year. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.